Shandong Chuangjie Washing Technology Company Limited, located in Jining City, Shandong Province, is a professional cleaner agent manufacturer and supplier in China, covering an area of 80,000 square meters, with 190 employees, annual output over 100,000 tons. We offer all kinds of powder and liquid cleaning agent, such as laundry powder and liquid, clothing cleanser, detergent, powder and liquid soap, laundry cleaner, degreaser for kitchen, bathroom cleaner, toilet cleaner, pet cleaner, floor cleaner, glass cleaner, and shampoo. All of finished products, non-toxic, biodegradable, non-damaging skin and clothes, formula composition, size and packing customized. Our top-class R&D teams, fully automatic production machines, digital control management testing system, and well-skilled operators perfectly guarantee the finished product's quality, well same as buyer's requirements. Have passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 certificates. Our cleaner agent has already been exported to more than 100 countries together with best reputation and buyer's trust. With our outstanding performance, our logo, Creeklin, and Citron Plus as a daily using cleaner agent are becoming China well-known brands. We have rich producing experience in OEM and ODM for innumerable buyers, aiming to the world-renowned supplier of cleaner agent with reasonable price and nice service. We hope more and more buyers will find our cleaner agent a great match for suitable needing.